Okay, so today we're gonna make chicken shepherd's pie. Okay, so the ingredients that we need mainly is this 1 kilogram of potatoes boiled, and you'll mix it with 400 milliliters of milk and 50 grams of butter and 2 teaspoons of salt. After mixing it, you have to mash it until they are all well mixed together. Okay, so next for the filling, we will need 430 grams of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And here are some frozen mixed vegetables. And here are 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And here we have 2 large onions finely chopped. And here we have 1 kilogram of chicken meat finely minced. So let's get to the cooking. Okay, so now we need to heat up about 4 tablespoons of oil, and we will insert our chopped onions to fry. So these onions will need to stir fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are softened and slightly brown before you put in the other ingredients. Okay, so now that our onions have browned, we can insert 2 teaspoons of thyme. Give it a good stir. So once you've inserted your thyme, you can insert your minced chicken. And this you will need to stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes to let it cook properly before adding the other ingredients. Okay, so now that the chicken is well done, we can insert our balsamic vinegar and our mixed vegetables and also our tomato puree. Okay, so once all of them are all in the wok, you can stir fry it for about 2 minutes before letting it simmer with lid on for about 5 minutes. Now for the taste, we can insert our sugar and salt now. Now you just have to put the lid on and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, now 5 minutes have passed, and here is our filling, chicken filling for the shepherd's pie. So just give it a good stir. And we can turn the stove off. Let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes before you put them in the aluminium foil pan to be baked in the oven. Alright, so here is our mashed potatoes, and here is our chicken filling, and here is our aluminium foil pan. This here I'm using a 17 centimeter long aluminium foil pan. You can use smaller ones if you wish to have more pies. So first of all, we need to layer the chicken filling into the aluminium foil pan. So here it can fit 8 17 centimeters aluminium foil pan. And here's the mashed potato to layer them up before you put them in the oven to bake for 20 to 35 minutes. Okay, so here are our shepherd's chicken pie. So here I top them with some mozzarella cheese. You can top them with cheddar cheese or parmesan, any cheese that you would like to add flavor to your pie. So here we will put them in the oven to bake for 15 to 20 minutes over the heat of 200 degrees Celsius. And we have to check them at the 15 minute. If they are brown nicely on the top, then we can just turn the oven off and take them out. Right, so here is our shepherd's pie in the baking. So we'll wait for 15 to 20 minutes until we take them out.